Ready to turn your passion for podcasting into a profitable venture? Let's dive into how you can earn from your podcast using Buzzsprout, your easy-to-use podcast hosting platform. The first key is to understand the options available within Buzzsprout itself. Click into your Buzzsprout dashboard and locate the section dedicated to monetization. One of the most straightforward methods is advertising. Buzzsprout allows you to explore dynamic ad insertion. This means you can press a ad space and easily insert them into your episodes. This can be set up through Buzzsprout. Another option in the advertising category is to find and add a hosted advertisement segment into your episodes. Beyond general advertising, you can pursue sponsorships. This involves partnering with brands to promote their products or services on your show. This usually involves reading an advertising script, often creatively mentioning their service during your podcast recording. Consider incorporating listener support options. Buzzsprout integrates seamlessly with platforms like Patreon or allows for direct donations. These are typically added to your podcast webpage for your listeners to donate if they wish. Ultimately, the success of your monetization efforts hinges on building a loyal listener base and creating valuable content. Experiment with different strategies. Track your results and tailor your approach to best suit your audience. With dedication and a strategic plan, you can transform your podcast into a revenue-generating machine.